Now let's talk about optional items for this class. On Fridays, we're going to have a group discussion that is totally optional on Zoom. This is in case during the week you weren't clear on some material, maybe you have more questions, maybe you want to hear other students' perspectives on the same material, or maybe you just want to know more and you want me to give you some more information as to how you can find out more about some content. To do that, we're going to have a group Zoom, and I send y'all a link beforehand. That is a way that you can engage in kind of a group dynamic. This is totally optional. It's technically my group open door office hours on Fridays. It's from 3 to 4 o'clock. And again, optional, but I really encourage you to show up and at least show face for one session so I can get to know you at least a little bit. And again, you're welcome to ask all kinds of questions when you're on that group Zoom. To do that, you're going to need access to Zoom, which is available as a completely online platform. You don't have to download the Zoom app in order to use Zoom, but you're welcome to if that makes things easier. The last application we'll talk about that's totally optional is GroupMe. GroupMe is a way that you can communicate in kind of like a group chat. So this is an app, a messaging app that you can download on your cell phone, iOS and Android. You can also access it on your computer. And this is basically a way that we can engage in conversations about the material throughout the week in a way that's a little less formal than email and a little quicker. The reason I say quicker is that oftentimes you can ask a question on the GroupMe and other students will answer it for me far quicker than I could. And a lot of times that's what happens. And so this is a great substitute for a classroom. When you download GroupMe, you might want to turn off notifications on your settings if you don't want to be bothered by it all the time. You would do that in the settings of GroupMe. I don't do that. I like to see the students engaging in everything, but you might want to do that if you don't want to be constantly updated on what everyone's asking. That being said, GroupMe is a great way to communicate with small questions you might have. Maybe you want to reaffirm that you have the right idea about something, and you're welcome to do that on GroupMe. It's a very informal, quick, easy way to communicate. It's basically a group chat that we're going to have for the whole class for the whole semester, and when it's over I'll close the group and it'll be gone forever. But GroupMe, I highly recommend joining the GroupMe for this semester.